Dave Armstrong, D.A Gas and Plumbing. Today I'm doing a tool talk review for expert trades, and I'll be reviewing the Monument 3450G blow lamp. I'll be comparing it against the Rothenberger Superfire 2, as that's what I normally use, and I'll show you the differences. First thing to note, it's quite light, but it's quite bulky, and it's quite big. When you compare it up side by side against the Superfire 2, first impressions I'm thinking are, normally you're soldering in tight spaces. Is that going to be a problem getting that in there? Just attach it to the bottle and show you the flame on it. It says if it will go on. There we go. There you go. Nice picture of it, nice flame picture of it. Let's throw a lot of gas at. But if I'm honest, it doesn't feel as good. It's quite big compared to my Superfire 2, which feels a lot more comfortable to hold as well. Passers by, call them fans. That's about it really to note on it. There's not much else to really point out. I don't know if there's a reason behind it, but the Rothenberger's slightly beveled on the end. The Monument one isn't. Whether that's going to affect the flame, I don't know. But really for me, the two big differences are the size of it. Probably going to stick with my Rothenberger for now. Definitely be giving the Monument a try though, and I'll do another review in a few weeks time once I've done plenty of soldering. Speak to you soon, guys.